Welcome. This video introduces the UIC statement in QSPICE and shows UIC in an RLC natural response simulation with initial condition inductor current. When a UIC statement is present in a QSPICE nonlinear transient simulation command, QSPICE does not perform a DC operating point analysis before simulating the transient time domain behavior. By contrast, a QSPICE transient analysis without any UIC statement will automatically perform a DC operating point analysis before the transient analysis. UIC means use initial conditions. QSPICE can perform the transient analysis using any initial conditions present in the circuit and without performing a DC operating point analysis first.
What's the significance of skipping the DC operating point analysis?
For some cases, like this parallel RLC, performing the DC operating point before a transient analysis won't simulate the instantaneous initial condition response. Let's start by comparing the opposite case without UIC. This QSPICE transient simulation does not have a UIC statement. When QSPICE simulates this RLC circuit, starting with a DC operating point analysis, we see that the output voltage at node V starts out at minus 30 volts, the green signal in the graph. This minus 30 volts corresponds to a DC operating point where the initial condition inductor current flows through the resistor. 300 milliamps of resistor current flowing against the voltage reference direction times 100 ohms equals the minus 30 volts starting value of the green voltage signal in the graph. This QSPICE simulation is correct, but without the UIC statement, the simulation does not capture the circuit theory of this natural response due to the instantaneous initial condition inductor current.
Why not? What is unique about this circuit?
The initial condition inductor current instantaneously flows into the capacitor. There is no instantaneous current from the inductor that goes through the resistor. The resistor current and voltage build exponentially from zero.
To explore the technical background on this instantaneous current flow in the parallel RLC natural response, please see these two videos.
When a UIC statement is present in the QSPICE transient simulation, QSPICE simulation correctly matches the circuit theory of the natural response due to the instantaneous initial condition inductor current all going into the capacitor. Summarizing, this video shows QSPICE UIC statements, and this video also gives a good example of using circuit theory knowledge to get the simulation set up correctly and using simulation knowledge to explore the circuit theory.
Thank you for watching and learning with us.